In this lecture, we'll take the problem. The statement of problem is construct the state model using phase variables if the system is described by the differential equation. What is that equation? D cube y of t by dt cube plus 4 d square y of t by dt square plus 7 d y of t by dt plus 2 y of t is equal to 5 u of t. Draw the state diagram. So we'll find the solution. So we'll choose output y of t as the state variable. So y of t must be taken as state variable x1 t, and so x1 t will be one more state variable, and successive derivatives of it will give us remaining state variables, okay, as it is a differential equation. So successive derivatives of it gives us remaining state variable. Now, as the differential equation is the highest order 3, so order of the equation is 3, so only 3 state variables are allowed, okay. So we'll find that y of t is taken as x1t, okay. So y of t is chosen as state variable x1t and successive derivatives are remaining. So y of t is x1t. x2t is equal to x1 dot t. So x1t is y of t. So x1t is y of t, x2t is x1 dot t, which is y dot t, which we can write it as dy of t by dt. x3t is x2 dot t, which is y double dot t, which is d square y of t dt square. Thus x1 dot t is equal to x1 dot t is equal to x2 t, okay. x1 dot t is equal to x2 t. Now we'll continue this. Therefore, we can write x2 dot t is equal to x3t. Now, we have to obtain x3 dot t. So, how to obtain x3 dot t is substitute state variables obtained in the differential equation. Therefore, d cube y of t by dt cube is equal to y double is equal to y triple dot t, which is equal to d by dt of y double dot t, which is equal to dx3 by dt, which is x3 dot t. So we can write this differential equation in this form, okay. So the differential equation can be written as, okay, it can be written as so whatever is that equation, it is written as the differential equation x3 dot t plus 4 x3 dot plus 7 x2 dot t plus 2 x1 t is equal to 5 u of t. So we can write it as x3 dot t plus 4 x3 t plus 7 x2 t plus 2 x1 t is equal to 5 u of t. So due to this, x3 dot t will be equal to minus 2 x1 t minus 7 x2 t minus 4 x3 t plus 5 u of t. So the equation labeling has been done as the equations are labeled as 1, 2 and 3, which gives the required state equation. Therefore, x dot t is equal to a x of t plus b u of t, where a we can write it as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 7, minus 4. It is, okay. So take equation 1 first. see that equation 1, in that equation it is x1 dot t is equal to x2 t. So only x2 t term is existing, due to that here it is 1. This is from equation 1 where x1 dot is x2 t and only x2 t means we have tried x2 t 1, remaining x1 and x3 are 0. This is from equation 2. In equation 2, what is that equation 2? x2 dot t is equal to x3 t. So only x3 t term is there. So that is written as 0, 0, 1. Then we will take from equation 3. Equation 3 is minus 2x1 t minus 7x2 t minus 4x3 t. Okay, so it is minus 2 minus 7 minus 4. B is equal to 0, 0, 5. B is equal to 0, 0, 5 because in equation 3 it is 5 u of t and in equation 1 and 2 there is no u of t. So B is equal to 0, 0, 5. Okay. The output is y of t is equal to x1t. The output is, so whatever is the output is y of t is equal to x1t. So y of t is equal to c x of t plus d u of t, where c is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0 and d is 0. So y of t is c of x of t plus d u of t. So when we see this equation, y of t is c x of t plus d u of t. So y of t is with only x1t. Due to that x1 is here. So due to that x1 is here 1, x2 and x3 are 0 and u of t is 0, due to that d is 0. So this is a required state model using phase variable. Now we have to draw the state diagram. So what is the state diagram? You have to take the equation. Okay. What is y of t? x1t. So we have to get x1t. Then how to draw the state diagram I will tell. First we will go for x3 dot t. What is x3 dot t? x3 dot t. What is x3 dot t? Minus 2x1t minus 7 x2t minus 4 x3t plus 5 u of t. Okay, so this is 5 u of t. 5 u of t is this one. This represents 2 x1t. 2 x1t is this term. Okay. This is representing 2x1t and it is minus 2x1t, so it is given to minus. Next one is minus 7x2t. This is x2t which is minus. Then it is minus 4x3t. Okay, all these are summed. You are going to get x3 dot t. Okay, x3 dot 3. This is x3 dot t. When you integrate that, you will get x3 of t. When you integrate x3 of t, you will get x2 dot t. When you integrate x2 dot t, you will get it as x1t. So this is how to draw the state diagram. Okay, so 3 integrators. So now we will go for state model from transfer function. So how to get state model from transfer function? We will consider a system which is characterized by the differential equation containing derivatives of the input variable u of t as. Okay. So we will consider a system which is characterized by the differential equation containing derivatives of the input variable u of t as. So it is y raised to n plus a n minus 1 y raised to n minus 1 so on plus a1 y dot plus a naught y of t is equal to b naught u plus b1 u dot plus bm minus 1 u raised to m minus 1 plus bm u raised to n. So when we take, it is observed that, or it is said that it is advantageous to obtain the transfer function assuming 0 initial condition. So assuming 0 initial condition, it is advantageous to obtain the transfer function in those cases. So taking Laplace transform of both sides of equation 1 and neglecting initial condition, what we get is y of s y of s into bracket s raised to n plus a n minus 1 s raised to n minus 1 plus a1s plus a naught will equal to b naught plus sb1 plus so on bm minus 1 s raised to m minus 1 plus bm s raised to m u of s. Therefore y of s by u of s is t of s. So we can write it as b naught plus sb1 so on plus bm minus 1 s raised to m minus 1 plus bm s raised to m divided by a naught plus sa1 plus a n minus 1 s raised to n minus 1 plus s raised to n. This is taken equation 1. But in most of the control system, practically it is observed that m is less than 1. M is less than 1, but for general case let us assume m is equal to n. M is equal to 1, m is equal to n. Therefore we can write t of s as b naught plus sb1 plus so on bn minus 1 s raised to n minus 1 plus bn s raised to n by a naught plus sa1 plus an minus 1 s raised to n minus 1 plus sn. So from such a transfer function, whatever it is observed that the state model can be obtained. And then zero initial conditions can be replaced by the practical initial conditions to get required result. There are two methods of obtaining state model from the transfer function. One, using signal flow graph approach, to using direct composition of transfer function. Okay, is it clear? Then is it clear? So we'll take the problem. Okay, so I'll take the problem. The problem is obtain state model by direct decomposition method of a system whose transfer function is y of s by u of s is equal to 5s square plus 6s plus 8 by s cube plus 3s square plus 7s plus 9. So we'll go for solution. Decompose denominator as follows. So whatever is the denominator, it has to be decomposed as follows. How it is decomposed? S cube plus 3s square plus 7s plus 9 is equal to s plus 3 into s plus 7 the whole bracket into s plus 9. It's here. S plus 3 into s plus 7 close the bracket s plus 9. This is how the denominator must be decomposed. Is it clear? Decomposed. Then now its simulation starts from s plus 3 in the denominator. So whatever is that, its simulation starts from s plus 3 in denominator. So you can take this. So this is 1 by s, 1 by s, 1 by s. These are three integrators. So this will give us s. Then it is 3s. Okay, it is 3s. Is it clear? Then next is 7. Now 3s plus s square will come. That has to be multiplied with yes, it will come here. Then that is given to 7. So when that is given, we will get equation second part. then it is 9 plus 9. So this plus 9 will get this equation. So is it clear? First s plus 3 into s s plus 3 into s, okay, plus 7 into s plus this 7 into s plus 9. So this is. Then similarly we have to go for numerator. To simulate numerator, shift take off point once for 6s and shift twice for 5s square. So it has to be done. To simulate numerator, shift take off point once for 6s and shift twice for 5s square. So the complete state diagram can be obtained as follows. So this is a complete state diagram. Okay, complete state diagram. This is u of t. Then this is x3 dot. This is x3 dot. Then this is integrator. This will get x3. Then this is x2, x1, and this is y of t. So this is how the numerator is simulated. Shift take off point once for 6s and shift twice for 5s square. So 5s square, 6s, then you will get plus 8. So this is this term all added, it will get 5s square plus 6s plus 8. Then denominator is there. So that all is given and y of t will be this form. Okay. So we have to combine both the diagrams. Is it clear? Both the diagrams. So both the diagram has been combined. You can see 5 x3 is joined, so it is s square plus 6s plus 8. Okay, this 8x1. So this is how to then whatever are the integrator, assign output of each integrator as the state variable. So output of each integrator must be assigned as state variable. What is x1 dot? X1 dot is equal to x2. So x1 dot is equal to x1 dot is equal to x2. X2 dot is equal to x3. X2 dot is equal to x3. x3. Therefore, what will get x3 dot is equal to x3 dot is equal to u of t minus 9x1t minus 7x2t minus 3x3t. So, what we are getting, x3 dot is u of t minus 9x1t minus 7 u of t x2t minus 3x2t. So you have to see the state diagram and write x3 dot t. Okay. Y of t will get it as 8x1t. You see the diagram. 8x1t So you have to see this diagram and write. So you can see here, what is y of t? 8x1t plus 6x2t plus 5x3t. Okay. Similarly, x3 dot has been. Due to that, the state model is ax of t plus bu of t, b of t. And we can write y of t as c x of t plus du of t. So a we can write it as 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. Then B we can write it as 0, 0, 1. C is, what is this? You have to see this equation and write. Minus 9x1, minus 7, minus 3. So, it is minus 9, minus 7, minus 3. Okay, A matrix. B will be 0, 0, 1. C. Now, C is, you have to see output y of t and write. What is y of t? 8x3t. 8x1t plus 6x2t plus 5x3t. Due to that, we'll get C as 865. 865. D is 0. D is 0. Okay. D is 0. So, is it clear? D is 0. So the matrix A obtained is in the Bush form or phase variable form. So the matrix A obtained is in the Bush form or phase variable form. Next, advantages. 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 The various advantages of phase variables, that is direct programming method, are: 1. Easy to implement. The various advantages of phase variable, that is direct programming method, are: 1. Easy to implement. 2. The phase variables need not be physical variables, hence mathematically powerful to obtain state model. 3. It is easy to establish the link between the transfer function design and time domain design using phase variable. 4th, in many simple cases, just by inspection, the matrices A, B, C and D can be obtained. Okay. Next we will go for limitations. The various limitations of phase variable are: 1. The phase variables are not the phase variables, hence they lose the practical significance. They have mathematical importance. 2. The phase variables are mathematical variables, hence not available for the measurement point of view. 3. Also these variables are not available from control point of view. 4th, the phase variables are the output and its derivatives. If derivatives of input are absent, but it is difficult to obtain second and higher order derivatives of output. 5th limitation is the phase variable form, though spatial, does not offer any advantage from the mathematical analysis point of view. Okay, so this is regarding that. So, is it clear? This A matrix has been written taking x1 dot, x2 dot and x3 dot. In x1 dot it is only x2. Okay, x2, due to that x2 term is 1. In x2 dot it is only x3, due to that x3 is 1. In x3 dot it is minus 9x1, minus 7x2, minus 3 x3t. Okay. Recording ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್. So we'll take next example. Obtain, the statement of the problem is: obtain a state space model of the system with transfer function y of s by u of s is equal to 6 divided by s cube plus 6s square plus 11s plus 6. The solution is: the transfer function so the transfer function is y of s by u of s is equal to 6 divided by s cube plus 6s square plus 11s plus 6. So by factorizing the denominator, we can write y of s by u of s is equal to 6 divided s plus 1 into s plus 2 plus into s plus 3. Now we'll take the partial fraction. So y of s by u of s is equal to 3 divided by s plus 1 minus 6 by s plus 2 plus 3 divided by s plus 3. So we'll draw the state diagram. So what is the state diagram? U of s is input. U of s is input. Then first integrator output is x1, second x2, 3 x3. Okay. So this input to integrator will be x1 dot. Input to this integrator will be x2 dot. Input to this integrator will be x3 dot. So what we will get is 3 divided by s plus 1. So this will become 3 divided by s plus 1. The first, this block. Okay. Then this will become 6 divided by s plus 2. 6 divided by s plus 2. So what is this x2 dot? 2x2. 2x2 into u of s. So you will get this 1 by s plus 2. 1 by s plus 2 then into 6. So 6 divided by s plus 2. Then similarly this is x3. So 3 divided by s plus 3. So this is s plus 3. Then this will get 1 divided by s plus 3. This will come 3 divided by s plus 3. Okay. S plus 3. Then we have to go for the Foster form of representation. Foster form of representation. So how it is? Foster form of representation, from the figure we can write x1 dot is equal to u of s minus x1, x2 dot is equal to u of s minus 2x2, x3 dot is equal to u of s minus 3x3. Therefore y of s is equal to 3x1 minus 6x2 plus 3x3. Hence the state space model is x dot is equal to ax plus bu. Ax plus bu. Therefore, we can write y is equal to cx, and we have y is equal to cx. So a is minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0. Then so we can write taking the equations. So you have to take the equation of x1 dot, x2 dot and x3 dot. Okay. x3 dot. x3 dot. So of seeing the Foster form, it has been written. So minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 0 0 0 minus 3. B is 1 1 1. So what C we will get? 3 minus 6 3. 3 minus 6 3. This represents y of s. You see the Foster form, what I have shown? This represents y of s. This A represents x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot. B is all inputs are there, x1, x2, x3. Due to that it is 1. Okay. Now we will take one more problem. Obtain the state model for system represented by d cube y by dt cube plus 6 d square y by dt square plus 11 dy by dt plus 10 y is equal to 3 u of t. As highest order is 3, system is of third order, n is equal to 3. 3 integrators and variables are required. Select y is equal to x1 and then successive differentiation of y as next variable. So x1 dot is equal to x2 is equal to dy by dt. So x2 dot is equal to x3 is equal to d square y by dt square. As 3 variables are defined, x3 dot is not equal to x4, but x3 dot must be obtained by substituting all selected variables in original differential equation. So x3 dot plus 6x3 plus 11x plus 11x2 plus 10x1 is equal to 3u. Here this is a differential equation which has been written instead. D cube y by dt is x3 dot. Then 6 d square y by dt square is 6x2. Then 11 dy by dt is 11x2. Then plus 10y is equal to 3 of t. Okay. Then so 3 integrators that has been written here 3u. as x3 dot is d cube y by dt. So x3 dot is equal to 3u minus 10x1 minus 11x2 minus 6x3. This is taken equation 3. Y is equal to x1, which is output. State model can be written as x dot is equal to ax plus bu. Y is equal to cx plus du. So a is, what is a? 0 1 0. How it is 0 1 0? x1 dot is only, what is x1 dot? Only x2. Due to that, here this is representing x2, which is 1. Then similarly in next equation it is 0 0 1. Why? Because x3 is x2 dot. Okay, you see this equation, it x2 dot is what? X3. So only x3 must be 1 here. Then third equation is minus 10x1 minus 11x2 minus 6x3. So minus 10 minus 11 minus 6. B is 0 0 3. B is 0 0 3. C, y is x1. Y is x1 here. Y is x1. Y is output equation x1. Due to that, C is here 1. x2 and x3 are not there, 0 0. D is 0. Okay, this is, now we have to draw the state diagram. So this is the state diagram. Okay, you have to draw the state diagram for y of t. Input 3u, then minus 10x1. So here it is x1. So minus 10x1. So here it is minus 10x1. You can say minus 10x1. Then minus 11x2. Minus 11x2 minus 6x3. We'll get this total x3 dot integrate x3, then that is x2 dot integrate x2, x1 dot integrate it x1, and this is y of t. Okay, so this is a problem. I'll take one more. Obtain the state model of the differential equation 4d cube c of t by dt cube plus 3d square c of t by dt square plus d c of t by dt plus 2 c of t is equal to 5 r of t. So this equation, it can be written as 4c triple dot t. Why? Because it is d cube c of t by dt cube. So c triple dot t plus 3c double dot t plus c dot t plus 2c of t is equal to 5 r of t. So the order of the equation is 3 because highest order is 3d cube. So selecting state variables as c of t is equal to x1 t, x2 t is x1 dot t which is c of t, x3 t is equal to x2 dot t which is c double dot t, x3 dot t is equal to c triple dot t. Substitute in the original equation, what you will get? 4x3 dot t plus 3x3 t plus x2 t plus 2x1 t is equal to 5 r of t. So x3 dot t is equal to, what will get? Minus 2 by 4 x1 t minus 1 by 4 x2 t minus 3 by 4 x3 t plus 5 by 4 r t. State model is x1 dot x2 dot x3 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. This equation has been written. Minus 2 by 4 is here, minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 of equation 3. This second row is equation 2. In equation 2 only there is x3. This is equation 1. Only there is x2. Due to that, this is 1. Plus 0 0. As there is r of t, so it is 0 0 5 by 4 r of t. Okay. Now so output equation is c of t is equal to x1 t. So output equation is what is y of t or rc of t? X1 t. So only x1 is present. Due to that, y of t is equal to 1 0 0 x1 x2 x3. What is y of t? You can see it is only c of t is, y of t is x1 t. Only x1 is present. Due to that, this is 1. Remaining are zeros. This is 1. Remaining are zeros. x1 x2 x3. So we'll stop here. I'll conclude. I'll stop here. You go through these problems, understand. In next lecture I'll continue. Okay.